been a declared day. One can win, one can lose. One can be a smart personality for the humanity. One can change lives of the people. One can be a person which with self-determination can change the society from nowhere towards the positivity, a negativity which is seen to be unfinished, unbarren, unborn, but was born due to the hatreds that believe on devil's culture, devil's society, devil's negativity. So what we have learned? We have learned that we are something. We are something very, very interested peoples, interested in peace, interested in humanity, interested towards the betterment of the people, betterment of the society. It is something very, very important to understand about the names and names equality, quality that counters us, quality that makes you feel well. Look at yourself, look at the waste. Always you see the wastages that never deals with the positive works. See at my back. See at my back, there's a cricket ground where players are playing. Look at this, practice is going on. And on my backside, nothing is happening. Only barren. Nothing is happening. So it is a difference between the two sides at the same time. Once you can see a cricket ground at my back. This is a cricket ground where players are playing cricket, they are enjoying their lives. They are full of life, full of the love, full of you can say the nature. Look at this. They are saying catch it, this and that. A cricketer's cricket life love. So this is what we need to know. We need to imagine what life is all about. It's all about spreading humanity. Go for the sports, play your well, play cricket, play with the teams like you have in my back. So you can be a nature lover, be a humanity lover. Don't be shy from being expressing yourself. Always make your self-esteem and motivate yourself like you must. Look at, not make your life like this. This is what I want to say. Say, please lock darker sides. This lock is a darker side. And be towards the positivity, like these kids at my back are playing cricket. So this is all about the life is. This is what the life is all about. Move and work for the humanity. Being with yourself. You see, these are their bags. These bags are showing their hard work. These bags of the cricketers are showing how it is happening. So my message from the cricket ground is that you're seeing these are the dates. It's a wonderful ground. Have a look on other side. There are kids. Here. Look at this. Kids are playing cricket. Or I think that is gully danda. But they are playing. Father is loving his kid. Look at this. At my back. It makes you feel a positive about this world, this global world. Look at this, kids. This is the nations, this is generation. This is our generation. Look at this. This is what we have to see. How kids in Pakistan need to be groomed, need to give them a chances. I will request all the parents that give a time to your kids to go to the grounds and enjoy life like this, as you are seeing. Not give them video games and tab. I hate tabs. I hate mobile phones. Give them open ground so they can be physically fit and mentally fit. Not lose their bodies and not lose their self confidence by giving them mobile phone or tab. Video games they play, what they play on the ground, it will not only help in them in this age, but this particular exercise you are seeing him here, this will make them a better person and better in the job field and better in the education field when they grow up. This is what I want to share with all of you. This is Pakistan. This is our nation. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. That's so fun. I enjoy it. You will also enjoy it. So this is okay. So I can say here from here, Pakistan, Zindabad. Love your kids. Love your nation. And be alert always, parents, and be alert for making this world a better place for humanity. Bye bye. Love kids, love you all. Stay blessed.